Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sumaira Anjum and this video is specially made for 10th class students who are going to write their final exams tomorrow. So without any further delay, let's get started. So finally the day of exams has already come and I know you'll have a lot of doubts ki what are the things which we have to take, how will the exam be, what are the rules which we have to follow. There will be a lot of questions, so I'm here with a video for that. So let's start with the first point, which is preparation. So before the exam, for preparing, what you have to do is you'll have all the books related to subject in front of you. Now you'll open the material and then according to the question paper model you will revise the whole syllabus, like bits, questions, poems, whatever it may be. You should have a plan by yourself, and according to that you will revise all the lessons one by one, peacefully enjoying the whole syllabus, reading for the final time. And always keep a rough book beside you, keep practicing whatever you are studying, keep practicing the spellings, and revise the previous year question papers so that you'll know the model of tomorrow's exam paper. And for your kind information, I have posted my last year 2022 final exam question papers in the description below. I've made a PDF and I've posted there so that it will be helpful for you all, so refer those papers also. And when you're revising, sit in a separate room, concentrate, talk to yourself and revise the syllabus as many times as you can. Now when you're ready for the exam, from the evening or from the morning itself, everybody will be starting to bless you for the exam. So take all the blessings, pray for yourself and always hope for the best. Take a good sleep, do not disturb your sleep, sleep early at night and wake up early in the morning. In the morning, have a quick revision, or if you haven't revised anything, complete the whole revision. And on the day of exam, pray for yourself, hope for the best. And the exam starts at 9:30, so by 8:30, complete all your revision and get ready for the exam. So now, what are the things you have to take for the exam is take an exam pad. Take an exam pad with a pouch and a long scale with the hall ticket holder, with your hall ticket Xerox copy. Now this is not the original hall ticket, it's just the Xerox copy. Your original one will be with your center in charge. Before the exam they will give you your hall ticket, you can take it for the exam. Hall ticket is must and should for the exam, so don't forget taking your hall ticket. And after the exam you have to submit your hall ticket to the center in charge itself, so that you don't lose the hall ticket, just for safety purpose. With this you can also carry a water bottle. In some centers water bottles are also not allowed, as water will be available in the center itself, so according to the center you can decide. Things which you should carry in the pouch are 2 blue pens, 1 pencil, eraser, sharpener and pen pencil if you use pen pencil generally for writing the exam, and a protractor, compass, a black pen just in case if it is useful, but you will not use black pen in your exam. You just need to write with blue pen, a short scale, and that's going to be it for the pouch things, the things in the pouch. Mobiles, smartwatches, books, etc. are not allowed in the exam hall, so don't carry any of them and just have a simple and decent dressing style. If you bring any of the watches or anything, give it to your exam center in charge. Take all the necessary things and go to the center early, don't be late. Exam ke time pe don't risk going late. And then if exam is at 9:30, you will be seated in your places by 9 o'clock itself. So go into the exam hall, check your seat, check your hall ticket number, and on the benches itself your hall ticket number will be written, your place will be reserved. So go and sit in your place. Look at your surroundings should be clean, there should be no papers, all your surroundings should be clean, so make sure to check that. And by 9:15 you will be given your 24 pages booklet. A white pages booklet will be given to you and you can start drawing the lines. Don't do anything by yourself. Listen to the invigilator, whatever they say, just follow their rules. They will tell you how to fill your details, where to sign, where to write your hall ticket number and all that. So just follow their rules. And if you write 1 or 2 exams, you will be habituated to that. So a 24 pages white booklet will be given to you, and if it is not sufficient, you will also get an extra additional of 12 pages. If you ask the invigilator, they will just give you whatever the doubt you have regarding filling the details, and whatever it may be. If you have any doubt, you can ask your invigilator without any hesitation. They'll help you with it. You need to attach an OMR to the answer sheet, so all the details should be filled here. These things will be told to you by the invigilators, don't worry about that. So yeah, after all that is completed, after all your details are filled, now you will be given the question paper and you just need to write the exam within 3 hours. So now it's show time. It's time to dump all that which is in your brain into the exam neatly. Presentation should be neat. Obviously, you know that presentation is really important. Write the question numbers outside the margin, write the points inside the margin, and write the questions neatly. Have patience. You'll have 3 hours. 3 hours is sufficient time. So write with patience and follow all the tips which I told you in the presentation video. See that you don't have any strikeouts in your paper and draw double lines after each and every question. Those 3 hours just focus on your paper, don't look at others' papers. Write the exam with full concentration and full interest. And that's it. 3 hours will be completed in no time. So in between, if you have any problem, you can talk to your invigilator. If you want to go out for washroom, or if you want to drink some water, you can ask them without hesitation. And don't be afraid during the exam. Go with full relaxation, write your exam peacefully, and come out with full confidence that you have given the paper very well. Be confident, and believing in yourself is the key. And yeah, there's nothing to get stressed. I know that you all have that potential to write the exam very well, so don't be nervous. Be very happy and write your exam very happily, and yeah, just be happy. That's all I wanted to tell you all in this video. So yeah, I hope you all liked it. I hope it is a bit helpful and a bit motivated. So I wish you all the very best for your exams. Do the best and come out with great flying colors. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you all liked it. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel and share with all your friends. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll always be there to answer your doubts. So that's it. See you all in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.